Hello, and welcome back to How to Art. I'm really excited to announce that I'm actually going to be doing a 5-part mini-series on how to make your own comic. You've all managed to prove to me you can draw, and I think we can now move to the next steps of creating our own cartoons. So I will be posting a video each Sunday and teaching you how to go from an initial idea in your head to getting a printable comic that people will enjoy reading. I will start off by teaching you how to write a story, and we will look at themes and genres and getting all your ideas onto paper. Then I will teach you the importance of something called transitioning, how we go from one frame to another to tell the story. After, we will look at actually drawing the comic and how you can use different styles of techniques to make your comic have a certain look to it. Then finally, I'm going to actually give you some comic secrets and important do's and don'ts that I've discovered whilst making comics myself. All of this is going to be on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Every Sunday for the next few weeks, there's going to be a new video, so tune in.